Hello and welcome to this installment of First Amendment Rights. I'll be conducting a First Amendment audit here at the Cheesecake Factory at the Anaheim Garden Walk in the city of Anaheim, California. We'll see if the folks inside the Cheesecake Factory tonight will hopefully honor and respect my constitutionally protected First Amendment right to take photo and video from a publicly accessible area, which happens to be a sidewalk. Stick around, we'll see how things go. We got outdoor patio dining here on the side of the restaurant. We got the sign that says no stopping anytime. We got a Chevy Malibu 8BJK481 with his flashers on. I guess he thinks putting his flashers on makes him exempt from no parking or no stopping at any time along a busy street. HCN334. Stopping anytime. They just went inside the restaurant and left their cars parked on the side of the street. Huh. There's the guilty culprit. Picking up food. Ah, shame, shame, shame. Let's see who this next person is. 7HMU275. This is right here. See it? Interesting. Literally right next to it too. What a knucklehead. Am I what, recording?
Yeah. Are you guys recording the car just parked on the side?
Of course I'm recording, why not?
There is no reason. I know that there's a sign that said, but people said there are complaints saying that you are recording people's car. That's not cool.
Okay. And?
So if you're recording and people are not feeling comfortable at all because you're recording for the purposes of car, just people are just picking up their food and just going. So
okay, well let me ask you, what makes them entitled to park where it says no stopping at any time?
People are here to pick up. There's curbside pickup. There's a reason for that.
Well, it doesn't say curbside pickup. It says no stopping at any time.
It doesn't mean that you're still recording.
Is there a crime in recording?
That doesn't mean you're supposed to be recording.
Is there a crime in recording?
You're not allowed to record.
Says who?
I mean, by the law.
What law is that? I'll tell you what law says that I can record. Want me to tell you?
I don't know for it.
The Constitution of the United States, the First Amendment, freedom of the press. Anything I can see from a public sidewalk or a publicly accessible area, I can take a picture of.
Okay.
So now you know.
All right.
So you can tell them to go kick rocks. Have a good night. Well, there we go, folks. We're going based off of feelings and not the laws. The signs clearly say no stopping at any time. And we got cars just stopping here, picking up food, thinking it's a food pickup area. I don't know what sense of entitlement they all think they have, but they have rules for a reason. And one of the representatives from Cheesecake Factory just came out and informed me that folks are feeling uncomfortable by my camera. So I gave him a little education on the First Amendment tonight, and he seemed kind of dumbfounded by that. Didn't really know what to say, so he went back inside. No stopping anytime. Clearly says it right there. So we'll see what happens. We'll hang around for a little bit longer. Stick around. Well, it looks like it's going to wrap it up here at the Cheesecake Factory this evening at the Anaheim Garden Walk. Got a bunch of cars stopping along the street where it says no stopping at any time. These folks here. Got a representative from the Cheesecake Factory come out and told me I needed to stop filming because it was against the law to record the cars, and tried to make an excuse that it was a food pickup. Well, there's plenty of signs clearly marked along the street that says no stopping at any time. So I educated him on the First Amendment, and the freedom of the press protects what I'm doing, taking photo and video from the sidewalk. Told him to go kick rocks, and haven't seen him since. So that's going to do it for me here. Go ahead and subscribe to the First Amendment Rights on YouTube. Like and share the videos, please. You can also find First Amendment Rights on Facebook at Public Photography is Not a Crime. I thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. Bye-bye.